Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. And before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Sitting Pretty Hair. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay divas, so jumping right in, here is my braided headband wig. So it is like a 1B27. As you guys can see, I absolutely love the color of this unit, and as you guys can see, it's long. I'm guessing it's about 30 inches or a little bit longer. I am 5'2" and I do have a shorter neck. So here's the cap construction. It is average head friendly. It does come with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, as well as an adjustable elastic band, which is very nice. So she did also send me out this headband along with this matching mask, which I think is super cute and it's nice quality. So now that I have the unit onto my head, this is how it's looking, and I'm really feeling it. Like, it looks really good together, and I love how everything correlates with the headband as well. So I'm going to stand up so you guys can see how long it falls on me. And like I said, it falls 30 inches or longer on me, but I do have a shorter neck, and I am 5'2", in case you want to just use that for a reference. And then I'm just going to do a close-up of the braids so you guys can see how neat they are. So overall, this unit looks really pretty. And yeah, you guys know I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so as you guys can see, I have a braided headband wig, and I want to say a huge thank you to Sitting Pretty Hair for my face mask as well as my matching headband. This is so freaking cute, you guys, and this looks handmade as well, and it's just like, oh my gosh, so freaking cute. Like, I'm gonna be the cutest girl in the Starbucks drive-thru, okay? When I pull up, they gonna be like, girl. But yeah, thank you so much for my matching mask and my headband, because girl, I'm gonna think that I'm too cute when I'm out in these streets, okay? Well, in the car, just at Starbucks. We can't go nowhere else. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about this unit. So I absolutely love this unit. It's so freaking full. Now with it being full, it does have a little weight to it, but it's not like too heavy, and I love the color mix. I think this is like maybe like a 1B30 or like a T1B30 or T1B27 probably, because it looks like a lighter blonde. I should know 27. That's one of my favorite blondes. But anyways, that's what this looks like, and I really do like it. I feel like it's super duper cute. The braids are very neat as per usual. All her braided wigs are very neat. All the braided units at Sitting Pretty are super neat. That's one thing that I really do love about them. So yeah. But anyways, yes girl, this is really cute. I think this is like 30 inches. I am a shorty, you know, so I don't know how it would fall on you if you're a little bit taller, but I do have a shorter neck and I am short, and on me it's falling like 28-30 inches. So I really do like that. I also love how the ends are nicely dipped and they are braided throughout. Like, it's really nice, and I just love how neat it is. I also love the cap construction because it did come with 3 combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back, and then it also has a high quality adjustable elastic band, which is really good, because you want to feel secure with your wig. So I really do like that. I also like how thin the headband part on here is, like the headband wig, or the band across. I don't know what I'm saying, but the band across is really thin, and I do like that because I feel like you could pretty much wear like any headband with it being that thin. So that gives you a little bit more versatility there. Like, if you wanted to wear, you know, like one of the bling ones, it wouldn't be as hard to like hide the band. So I do like that. and I really love this headband that she sent out to me. So thank you so much, because this is so pretty. But overall, this unit is very nice quality. I showed you guys the cap construction. The cap construction is amazing. I love all the security it comes with. I love how neat the braids are. So overall, this unit is definitely a winner in my book. So I will leave a link in the description box below in case you fabulous girls are interested in getting this unit. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like this unit. Let me know how you like it on me. Would you ever try a braided unit? Have you ever tried a braided unit? Definitely let me know, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.